Adams County, winner of the 2013 Large Community of the Year Award from the Economic Development Council of Colorado. Advanced manufacturing has gone 21st century in Adams County, Colorado. Technology leading the way, with companies like RK Mechanical's new computer software and building system catapulting design a decade ahead.
It allows us to take 2D prints and turn them into 3D with every minute detail of the project.
Engineers can take a virtual tour literally into every inch of any building they design to make sure every part is exact and efficient, even before the first dirt is moved.
We can ask the question and get it resolved before the building's even built, because the coordination is done up front.
The process speeds up, streamlines, and modernizes building design and construction in a way never before possible.
With the virtual construction here, we can keep everybody else going, fire protection, ductwork, piping, plumbing, everything else, and it will save thousands and thousands of dollars.
And to follow through from computer-programmed welding, intricate laser cutting, to all the mechanical installation, RK prefabricates its materials in-house to fit together perfectly before they even reach the job site.
Today we build off of 3-dimensional drawings, and in the future it's going to be 4 and 5 dimensions, including schedule and maintenance, and it's just unlimited.
RK is poised on top of a series of new ways the construction of the future will be handled.
Today's RK foreman superintendent shows up with an iPhone, a laptop. Most of their work is done behind a desk, planning. Now they have a drawing that we call a map that shows them where every piece goes, and they just set those pieces in place and make a connection, kind of like a jigsaw puzzle.
For RK Mechanical, it's like capturing a huge part of what's to come now. A new dimension of technical refinement has replaced old-style mechanics at Cummins Rocky Mountain Diesel in Adams County, a certified world-class operation.
What we do for our marketplace is provide the highest quality remanufactured engines for the mining business.
Cummins High-End Remanufacturing applies constantly advancing technology to restoring engines to original standards.
You could save approximately $50,000 to $80,000 versus the cost of a new engine.
From trucks to locomotives to mining equipment, reliability and minimal downtime means big money gains or losses, a growing market for Cummins.
We keep engines available on an as-needed basis. Where new engines are available, you have to order those and there's a lead time, etc.
Cummins uses a several-step process to deliver a clean environment, virtually eliminating dirt and grit, clearly different from older practices.
Typically, expectations were in the 12 to 15,000 hours historically. Engines remanufactured from this facility run to 20,000, and many customers run beyond that. If one of these pieces of equipment is down for a period of time, the customer is losing $5,000 to $10,000 per hour. So we've more than doubled the life that the customers are getting from the engines.
They can watch the engine running in our test cell off-site in a remote location in Columbus, Indiana.
Cummins engines remanufactured here also end up around the world: South Africa, Russia, Australia, South America. Maintaining the highest remanufacturing standards available takes carefully selected people.
The techs are different. We are recruiting very carefully, and we're investing very heavily in training. We're looking at further investment in the actual individual assembly of the engine and getting full computer control of the assembly instructions and details. So we're really at the forefront of some of that technology.
Adams County's Majestic Metals has grown to be one of the big-time players in high-precision, computer-automated metal fabrication for everything from lighting fixtures to computer assemblies to sophisticated medical devices, all because of an insistence on constantly higher efficiency.
We have the opportunity to run between shifts and even through weekends without anyone in the facility running an unmanned operation producing product for our customers.
Majestic has built such a confidence level that its employees beta test high-tech machines not even available on the general market. One of them, the fiber laser, the only one of its kind in the world.
This is a brand new technology that they're applying to the laser cutting process that allows us to produce parts at higher speeds than we've ever been able to produce before. We are no longer the blacksmith shop. We are a contract manufacturer. We build products that go all over the world.
Which demands a high level of employee specialization that pays off in an expanded worldwide reputation. Some of the world's newest techniques for protecting food are right here in Adams County. Burco Corporation is becoming the international leader in making food safer.
Burco Corporation is represented in probably in the neighborhood of 80% of the meat slaughter plants in the United States, particularly the beef industry, looking for ways to reduce the bacterial loading in food.
They've developed the premier solution for treating meat and produce to keep it as clean and healthy as possible, part of the creation of Dr. Victor Roysch.
We want to eliminate those bacteria at an early stage of the processing so they are not being carried through the entire process to cause problems later.
The sanitation solutions are made on site in a clean room process to guarantee quality, then shipped all over the world. They've also developed what is somewhat like a sanitized spray car wash for beef that processors are now requesting internationally.
We are hoping that with this new change of heart in Europe, that there may be a new market developing there. We are talking to other countries as well.
We are currently looking at going up into Canada. We've got business opportunities in Mexico that we could do on the ground, and we're very much focused on maintaining and improving our distribution network.
It's clearly a new tech manufacturing world out there, and companies in Adams County are already gaining prominence across the country and across the globe.